The Future Combat Air System, or SCAF, is a major European defense project. It spans several decades and includes France, Germany, and Spain. The cost is estimated to exceed 100 billion euros. The goal is to build a system that combines a combat cloud, combat drones, and a next-generation fighter aircraft called the NGF. Dassault Aviation is the main contractor for the NGF. The company complains about a lack of autonomy when working with the German and Spanish subsidiaries of Airbus Defence and Space. The NGF has major strategic importance. It must carry out nuclear deterrence missions and operate from aircraft carriers. Yet Dassault's CEO, Éric Trappier, says they cannot impose a work distribution based on French expertise. Instead, they must constantly negotiate and compromise. Dassault and the French government now want a change in management. They aim for a system that is either independent, like the Rafale, or more organized, like the Neuron drone program. Trappier explained this during Dassault's half-year results on July 22nd. He stressed that France does not want to repeat the Eurofighter model. Instead, they want either the Rafale model, where France leads with hundreds of partner companies like Thales and Safran, or the Neuron model, where 6 countries share work but with clear leadership. France also wants to keep about 80% of the workload on the NGF. This upsets the original tripartite balance among the partners. France argues this is needed to meet deadlines and to include nuclear capabilities. Germany and Spain cannot always add such features into the joint model. Dassault insists that the fighter must be operational without foreign constraints. France also claims it has the most advanced technical skills. It points to the Rafale fighter, Safran engines, and Thales sensors. The NGF has unique requirements, such as nuclear roles and carrier operations. France wants to use its expertise to ensure timely and successful delivery. France says keeping about 80% of NGF work is based on the best athlete principle. This means the strongest company in a field should lead. They argue that equal sharing is not realistic. The partners have very different levels of experience and skill. Critics see France's stance as reluctance to let German and Spanish firms gain equal control. They worry about losing strategic autonomy and sovereignty over sensitive defense technologies. There is no public evidence that German and Spanish firms are incompetent. The tensions are mainly about strategy, leadership, and governance. Airbus in Germany and Indra in Spain are considered capable. They work on drones, combat clouds, and sensor systems. Airbus Defence and Space in Germany manages other program pillars such as clouds and drones. It strongly opposes France's demand. Berlin and Madrid back this position. Spain's defense minister, Margarita Robles, called the project essential and urged cooperation. German Defense Minister Boris Pistorius said national interests must come first if the program is to progress. Pistorius also stressed that cooperation must follow the signed contracts. Any change requires renegotiation. He confirmed a trilateral meeting in Berlin this autumn to solve disputes and speed up progress. He added that further delays are unacceptable. Still, German media outlet Bild reports that Berlin may leave the project if France does not compromise. Germany demands fair work sharing. Otherwise, it may look for alternatives to avoid being sidelined. SCAF is vital for European defense sovereignty. It aims to replace the Rafale in France and the Eurofighter in Germany and Spain by 2040. If the program fails, Europe may be forced to depend on foreign technology, mainly from the United States. In conclusion, SCAF shows how hard it is to align national goals in a joint European defense project. The tripartite dialogue scheduled for this autumn will decide the future of this landmark program. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, please take our channel membership, which is very affordable, to encourage us.